Magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. So I was visited yesterday sa RCBC Master Soul sa branch ko, and I have a present from them. So ito po binigay sa akin, and then this one also is for my wife, sa aking pinakamamahal na asawa, and the other one is calendar. I thought this calendar. So I will check first this calendar. Tingnan natin yung calendar na binigay nila from RCBC Master Soul. Ayan. So live more this 2024. Ayan. So ito po, no, calendar pala. So thank you so much sa RCBC. So akala ko walang magbibigay sa akin ng gift this Christmas, but it's a very surprise for me na I receive this gift. So I will unbox this gift. Ooh! Hulaan mo, Nick, what is this? Huh?
Sabon.
Sabon?
Soap.
No. Kuya, hulaan mo, what is this? Guess what is this inside?
Sabon.
Huh?
Sabon.
Oh, I don't know. I don't know. We'll check.
Sabon yan.
So from RCBC, okay. And we will check what is this. And okay. Oh, wow.
Akin yan. Akin.
Oh, this is very
Akin na yan.
very good. This is for a mobile, you know.
Akin na yan.
So dito ilalagay yung mobile stand, but this is very good for me. So I am a digital creator, also a blogger, so I can use this. Come here, Ethan. Kuya, come here. Join daddy here. And I will check first. I will unbox this to my to Emily. So here to Emily, and I will try. I will unbox this. What is this? So guess what is this?
Bra.
Huh?
Bra.
No. Kuya, what is this? You guess what is this? Huh? Guess what is this? What inside? Huh?
Bra yan.
No.
T-shirt.
T-shirt? I don't know. Me, I thought this is a bag, a tote bag. No? I don't know. So we will check. Okay. Oh, as you see here, RCBC.
Wallet.
We will check what is
Big
this.
answer, wallet.
Huh?
What is your wallet?
Oh, this is a eco bag. See here. So thank you so much, RCBC. No, very surprised. So anyway, thank you so much, and God bless RCBC.